here with my good friend John here at Vintage Paris in Hollister, Missouri, and we just got back from our tour. And I realized I never made an introductory to this video, so I'm going to say that now. We just went on a North Midwest tour and it was super fun. The whole tour was leading up to our music festival, to the Water Music Festival, which we did and completed, and it was awesome. We took a lot of videos along the way on this tour, and so I kind of compiled them all together. It sort of tells a story, but it's kind of a lot of random videos. So I hope that you like it, and thanks for being here.
Yeah.
Morning, Simeon!
Morning.
Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah, it was great.
Was it awesome?
Oh yeah. So nice. What's up,
So this is a really special trip for us because this is the last state that me and Emily have to go to. I mean, technically, I've never been to Hawaii. Emily's been to Hawaii. And I think I've been to North Dakota, but Emily's never been to North Dakota. This is the last state that we have to cross off our list after 8 years of traveling full time. And I guess when I go to Hawaii, I really can cross it off. But here we are, parked at a Harvest Toast in Fargo. It's exciting. All checked in, ready to go. Emily, how do you feel? Last state. All right, Emily, last state, North Dakota. How do you feel?
I feel oddly unsatisfied. I'm just kidding. No, I don't know. It was just, it is kind of weird. Like, I've literally been to every state now.
You know what's really weird?
You
have, and I haven't.
I know, because your last state is Hawaii, and that's a little bit harder to get to, but I've already been there. Mine was North Dakota. That was easy to cross off.
All right, we're going to Hawaii right after this.
Next month. Oh, wait. Wait a second. Forgot.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like waves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, self-touch your hand in mine, gets me every time.
All right, we just got to Crookston, and we have a few hours before the show, so I'm going to go to a coffee shop, get some work done. Well, I guess drink some coffee. Yeah, read a book maybe? Oh, I locked it. Sorry. Oh, I'm so tired.
Hey, look at those little pumpkins.
Yeah, those are cute pumpkins.
Ooh, they're even real tiny baby pine cones.
We got friends here, big fam, tiny life. Woo, woo, woo! They're coming to our show tonight at the University of Minnesota Crookston. We even have Emily in the bus. She's never in here while I'm driving anymore. I promise, it was my full intention to take a bunch of videos of us at the university playing, and I just completely forgot.
I think no. Oh.
All right, we just parked. What are you doing? No, don't do that. That's gross. We're parked here on the lake. So I think this is where we're gonna stay overnight unless someone knocks on our door and says, hey, you can't be in here. So let's hope for the best. But looks like a good spot as any.
Oh yeah.
Ready to go swimming, guys? All right, they are here going swimming. Lots of families around here, so I feel really safe about that. Me and Simeon are gonna go get some laundry done, and I'm gonna sit down somewhere and answer a few emails and booking stuff, and maybe work on a few different reels, things I gotta do. Laundry in. Gonna go sit down somewhere. Gonna go down. Yeah. Gonna sit somewhere. All right.
Sometimes I have a compulsion to do dumb things. What is it? Intrusive thoughts? Sometimes I don't shut that up.
This place is cool.
It is cool.
All right, laundry's done. Now guess what time it is, guys?
Bike riding!
Bike riding time! And we got Simeon up there setting up his tent. We just got here to St. Paul, Minnesota, and we're doing a house concert tonight, which is technically our first show on the tour, even though we did play the university, but the university was not on our tour poster, so we feel like it doesn't count. I don't know, it totally counts though. But let's just say, for the sake of this video, today is the first show that we have CJ, so let's see how CJ's doing. Hey, June. All right, time to set up. Woo! So guess who came to our show today?
Woo!
Tiny Cabin Life in the flesh.
We're so excited. We're big fans, and we can't wait to see them play.
Whenever we go to new towns, we like to walk around and explore. So Chippewa Falls. Here we come. Oh, there's CJ's mom who booked all the shows. Woo, woo, woo!
Hello.
was a fun tour. There's so much, obviously, that I didn't take in because I was just trying to be all in at these shows and all that kind of stuff. And one of these days I'll be a better vlogger at this kind of stuff. But we just finished our festival. We're all done. We're heading back to the property with these guys. Woodstock on wheels. They are following us to a property and they're gonna stay with us for a while. They're gonna help us cut down trees and another adventure. And we are anxiously awaiting baby number 3 any day. Thanks for being here with us. Thank you to all of our Patreons for being a part of this crazy journey with us. Without you guys, I don't know if I'd make videos. Maybe I would, because I still like making videos. We're so grateful that you're here and we can't wait to see you on the road.